back to my channel. I'm back this week with another video for you guys, but today we're gonna be reviewing the brand new Makeup Forever Artiste Color Multi-Use Pencils. I'm pretty much just gonna be putting this on my eye, on my waterline. I'm gonna see how it blends. I'm gonna see if it meets every single claim that it has on the website, and then I'll do also a wear test to show you guys how it works throughout the day. So if you're interested in watching that, keep on watching, but if you're not a part of the following family yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, let's get into this Makeup Forever Artiste Color Pencil review and wear test. Alright guys, so before we do our tutorial on this eye look right here, let's get into the facts of this pencil. And the first thing is that this is the Makeup Forever Artiste Color Pencil, and I have the shade Whatever Black or 100, and this is $18. It is a wooden pencil. It comes in 36 shades, and on the Sephora website it says that this is a first of its kind pencil and the only one you need for brows, eyes, lips, contour, and blush, you name it. It is a beauty game changer. Now you can line eyes and lips, fill in brows, add freckles, get creative, all with a single pencil. Available in 39 intense shades to be worn individually or layered for a multi-dimensional effect. These powerfully pigmented, creamy matte pencils glide on smoothly and blend seamlessly. Their precision design gives you complete control to create whatever you want, wherever you want. Now pretty much these are supposed to be super creamy, super matte. They're supposed to blend nicely. They have 39 shades, which means that you can use this for literally anything and you will have colors to do everything. Today I'm going to be testing out the black one because I feel like it is such a staple, and I feel like it is a color that everybody needs in their makeup collection, especially if you like to do very dramatic smoky eye looks. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys an up close of the pencil and a swatch, and then we can get to the tutorial. So this is what the pencil looks like. As you can tell, it is just a wooden pencil, and for this eyeliner you do have to sharpen it with a makeup pencil sharpener, and it is like a frosted matte black pencil. It feels very nice, and this is the cap. I'm just gonna open it. I already used it, so it is not completely sharpened, but this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it is just a normal black wooden eyeliner pencil. So this is how the pencil swatches on the back of my hand. As you can tell, that was super fast, super effortless, super black, and super creamy. And yeah, that is a swatch of the color that you should be getting on your eye. So as you saw on the swatch on my hand, it was matte instantly, so this is not shiny. The claim that it is matte is very accurate. And now I'm just gonna remove it from my hand to show you guys if it is easy to remove, because I know a lot of eyeliners can be a pain to remove, especially if you put too much and if they're black on your eye. So I'm just gonna grab some coconut oil. I feel like eyeliner gets removed way faster with coconut oil. I'm just gonna grab a tiny bit and I'm gonna see how easy I can remove the liner from my hands. So it is taking a while to remove, but after just swishing the coconut oil around on my hand, it did come out after like 10 seconds, so that is not bad. It is very easy to remove, and coconut oil is safe on the eyes. Just make sure you don't have your contact lenses on if you're using coconut oil as a makeup remover, because it can get them ruined. But after you take your contact lenses off, it is safe to use, and so that is what I use if I want to get excess eyeliner off of my eye or extra eyelash glue. So that's just an extra tip for you guys. Yeah, now that I showed you a swatch, the price, and the packaging itself, let's get into the tutorial. Well, hello guys, so let's get into the application part of this video. So I have the black eyeliner, so I can't really use this one for the brows or the lips, but I'm gonna be using it for the eyes. I'm gonna be putting it on my waterline and on my top lash line, and I'm gonna blend it on my top lash line to see how it blends, since one of the claims on the website says that this blends amazingly. So the first thing that I'm gonna do right now is apply this on the waterline. My pencil is already sharpened, so I don't have to sharpen that. I only have a tiny bit of eyeshadow right now. I don't have mascara, and I will not be wearing false lashes today because I want you guys to see the actual eyeliner on my eye. I'm just gonna use the tip of the pencil and I'm gonna draw my waterline. Ooh, I'm gonna get a little closer so that you guys can see, but that is pigmented. Alright guys, so that was so effortless. Oh my goodness, I've never had a black eyeliner work so fast. I'm gonna do this eye without talking so that you guys can see how fast and seamless this is. So that is my waterline done on both eyes. I do have to say, first impressions, this eyeliner is impressing me so far. It was so easy to apply. I feel like it didn't really make my eyes tear up, which is really nice if you have very sensitive eyes. So far, this is working nicely. It is extremely pigmented. It's been around 30 seconds and it is not running down my inner corner. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tight line with the same pencil. I feel like tight lining is always harder. Alright guys, so this eye did tear up a little bit right now, but it's not smudging the liner. But I do have to say that was so easy. As you can tell, this is my eye tight lined with the waterline, and this is my eye without tie lining. It was super easy to get right in between the lashes, and it was really easy to get in the inner corner. It didn't really bother me, and it was just super pigmented at first swipe, which is amazing. So I'm just gonna do this eye real quick. Alright guys, so this is both my eyes tight lined. It was so easy to tight line my eyes with this pencil. So far it is working like magic. It feels a lot like the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, but of course this one's $18, those are $25. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attempt to draw a line on my top lash line, and I'm slightly gonna blend it up. My pencil's still pretty much sharpened, so I'm gonna start drawing. That was pretty easy to draw. I do have a little bit of eyeshadow. It looks black. It doesn't look gray even though I have eyeshadow, which is nice. It means that this is very pigmented. I'm just drawing a line. You know, I never use pencil liners, but after trying this one, I'm definitely going to be using this one more for the top. I feel like it is way less messy than a liquid eyeliner. That is not bad at all. I'm just gonna get it in between my lashes. Alright guys, so this is my top liner on this eye. I have to say I am very impressed with how easy and fast it was to draw this line with a pencil. I literally never use pencils for top eyeliner, so the fact that this worked so nicely, it is impressing me. It looks very black and pigmented. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a Morphe M432, a flat brush, and I am gonna blend this eyeliner a little bit upwards to see how it blends. It's gonna be more of like a smoky eye, but very daytime appropriate. That blended fast. I'm just wiggling my brush at the base and bringing it up. And now that I pretty much kind of spread that out, I'm gonna go in with my Sigma E34 and I'm gonna blend those edges so that it looks more like eyeshadow. And I'm gonna be blending more of the outer corner, not so much the inner corner, because I don't like the inner corner too blended. Alright guys, so as you can tell, that definitely blended out very nicely. It did fade into the eyeshadow that I already had very nicely. So I feel like if you're going for a smoky winged eyeliner, this is a liner for you. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some more of the eyeliner and I'm gonna deepen up the base, because it did blend so much that it kind of blended into my eyeshadow, into that white that I had. So I'm gonna re-intensify the black. So pretty much where I'm getting at is that this liner does lose pigmentation when you blend it out, but that is the point of blending out the eyeliner. You want it to be darker at the base and get more faded out and gray as you go up, so I guess that's not a bad thing. Now I'm just gonna go back in with my Morphe M432 and I'm gonna very lightly blend that line I just put. And that is pretty much all I am gonna do on this eye. I am not gonna set this with a black eyeshadow because I am really gonna test this liner and see how the eyeliner performs on its own without the help of an eyeshadow. But so far I am liking it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some mascara. I'm gonna be using my Benefit BADGal Bang Mascara. Put this on the top and bottom lashes. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish off the top of this eye, and I'll be back to share with you guys my first impressions. So I'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, so my eyes are done right now, and it hasn't smudged, it hasn't run, it still looks blended, and it hasn't creased. So I'm just gonna zoom you guys back out and tell you guys my first impressions on this liner. Alright guys, so I have to say, first impressions on this liner, I am really liking it. I loved how it blended so effortlessly and easily, and I didn't really have to use an eyeshadow to blend the eyeliner, which is usually what I have to do to blend an eyeliner out. I feel like this would be very nice if you want to do very deep smoky eyes, or if you just want to use it for the waterline, because right now it is super pigmented on my waterline and on my tight line, so on my top waterline. My eyes do tend to tear up if I wear eyeliner, and they are not tearing up right now, which is really nice. And I am overall very impressed with this liner. It is super smooth, super creamy, super pigmented, very fast as well. It is super easy to use, so I feel like it is very beginner friendly, especially since they are multi-use. You can use them for lips, for brows, for eyes, and it says that you can use them for face art, to kind of draw freckles on, to do blush, to do contour, and all that stuff. Right now it is 3:35 in the afternoon. I'm gonna be doing a wear test on this eyeliner. I'm gonna be wearing it all afternoon without touching up, not even once, and I'll be back to share with you guys my final thoughts. But so far I feel like every single claim on the website has been met, and so far it is working amazingly, and it is one of the best liners I've tried. I'll be back in a couple of hours to see if I still think the same way after wearing it, but yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna start rambling. I'll see you in a couple hours. Well, hello guys, so right now it is 12:37 in the morning, so I've had my makeup on for 9 hours, which means that I haven't touched up my eyeliner in 9 hours. I usually don't go that long in like my day-to-day life without touching up eyeliner. Normally I will touch up every 4 hours, because I know eyeliner on the waterline tends to wear out faster. But I do have to say, the liner on my top lash line hasn't really changed. It has faded a tiny bit, but come on, it's been 9 hours, and I didn't even set my liner on my top lash line with any eyeshadow. And usually when you're doing a smoky winged eyeliner, you should probably set it with a black eyeshadow just so that it looks a little more intense and so that it lasts longer. And I didn't do that, and it's still there, which is pretty impressive. I really like this liner for smudging, and it is really nice to just draw. It is very precise and easy, even though it is a pencil. And I don't know, I feel like the eyeliner initially applied very easily and simply, and it was very easy to blend. It was extremely easy to blend. It was super creamy, super pigmented. I do have to say, on my waterline, as you can see, it did fade a tiny bit, and it did run on my inner corner, but just a tiny bit. I've used eyeliners that literally look like I was crying because they were so bad, and this one is not really bad at all, and I can still see it in between my lashes and on the lower lash line and on the top without touching up once, so that is great. Yeah, I feel like that is it for this video. I really like this eyeliner. I think you should definitely try it out if you're looking for a great eyeliner that will last you all day, and that is also multi-purpose. That is one of the things that I loved about this eyeliner, is how multi-purpose it is. If you get a brown shade, you can use the brown shade for the eyes, the lips, the brows. If you get a nude shade, you can use it for anything, and I feel like that is really nice because you don't have to buy 20 eyeliners for different things. You can just get one. And I feel like that is the same thing for the black, but I feel like with a brown you could do that. But yeah, ultimately it is approved, and I hope this video helped you guys in any way, shape, or form. Don't forget to like this video if it did, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, that is it. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.